Hi, I'm Jim Danella, founder and CEO of Danella Companies. We at Danella believe in the zero incident philosophy, which means accidents are not an acceptable part of doing business. We believe that every accident is preventable, and prevention begins with a positive attitude towards safety. The Danella way is about being better together, which is why we have created learning videos that review high-risk activities associated with our line of work. We want you to understand that you have a responsibility to work safely and understand the work you are performing. If you do not have a grasp of the work, stop immediately and consult with your foreman. And remember, each employee has the ability to stop the job if unsafe working conditions are identified. If ever in doubt, reach out to your division manager or safety team directly to help you create a safe working environment. We all have a personal responsibility to think ahead, to keep ourselves and others safe at home and at work. And I personally expect you to take advantage of the resources we have put into place to keep you safe. I want to thank you for working safely and taking pride in everything you do.
In this video, we want to demonstrate the proper setup for traffic control devices. When preparing to control traffic on your project, there are several things to consider. Pre-planning and approval by the authority having jurisdiction is required prior to starting any work, on or near the roadway. Have the required permits available while on site. Be sure the crew understands the traffic control methods being used. Be certain that equipment operators know the limits of the protection and where materials and equipment are to be staged. The traffic control measures that you use must follow the manual on uniform traffic control devices. The MUTCD would identify the type of signs, channeling devices, arrow boards, and so on, and the spacing of these items. When a flagger is required, make sure the flagger is wearing the required PPE. Flaggers must stand on the shoulder and not in an active traffic lane to avoid the line of fire from an inattentive driver. Flaggers must use stop-slope paddle signs on two-lane roadways. Flags can be used at intersections. Direct traffic with your hand, not the flag. And don't forget about pedestrians. Utilize cones, cone bars, and barricades to set up pedestrian traffic control. Night work requires special attention. This would include retroreflective signs and cones, and of course, a well-lit area. If you have any concerns about the traffic control measures on your project, talk with your foreman, supervisor, or safety personnel. You, your coworkers, and the public safety depend on making sure traffic control devices are in good condition and properly placed. Thank you for working safely and taking pride in everything we do.